Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically apply this like speech to song effect to like your audio. So I'm just going to record myself saying something real quick using this record button, and I'm just going to basically enable the record button, and I'm just going to say something into the microphone. You can say anything, of course, but the duration is like between 5 seconds to like a minute, so just keep that in mind. Once you're done recording, if you're in basic, just like voice changer, and if you're in voice characters, you have to select speech to song. These are pro features, but there is a free one, which is the folk one, and then you're just going to basically select it between 5 seconds. Oh, okay, this isn't long enough, so I have to record longer than that. Okay, I'm just going to redo it. Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can use this speech to song feature. There, that's like around 10 seconds, right? And then I will just select it. You have to also update your app, by the way, for this to show up, so make sure to do that first. Just going to wait for it to load. Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can use this speech to song. And there you go. I guess it turns it into kind of like a song, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!